I don't use oil to fry chicken anymore. Instead, I cook it in water, and the result is amazing. First, I place 1 kilo of chicken in a pan with some water and let it cook for 2 minutes. Then I season it with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of paprika. I stir everything well and cover the pan so it can cook a bit more. When most of the water is gone, I add 3 cloves of garlic and a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I stir again and let it simmer until the flavors come together. Finally, I mix in a spoonful of mustard and a spoonful of ketchup. This method makes the chicken golden, juicy, and packed with flavor, all without using any oil. It's healthier, easy to make, and perfect for any meal. Try it at home and let me know how it turned out. Would you ever give up oil for this kind of cooking?